everyone. Hi. So, hey Instagram, hey YouTube. So I'm recording a quick packing with me video. Had a really mental breakdown earlier. Like I was in this thing crying because it's 90 degrees in my apartment. I live in California, there's no AC and it's like 100 degrees outside. So, but it's cool. It's cool because the Lord helped me get it together. He helped me find everything I needed and I don't have to cry anymore. So, now we're gonna record our packing with me video. Yay! So, had a little sale. So I've had more than a few orders, but I just want to show you all how I packed these for because it's a variety of things. So I think it'll be really cool just to show you how I pack things and how they come packaged. Excuse me. As you can see here, I have all my packing slips. I have everything laid out. I have my impulse sealer down here. Ooh, make sure I don't fall off the thing. I have my little shipping, my fragile labels, my thank you labels, some glitter because I put glitter on my packages, and my packing tape. So first thing I'm going to pack is our pout pack. So it's something new I wanted to offer just to give everybody a chance to go ahead and try everything out if they wanted to for one set price. So this is the pout pack that was ordered. I was fooling around with how I wanted to package things, but this is how the pout pack is. This is the poutiest pack. So it comes with our lip slush, it comes with 2 glosses. This is our cold weather training gloss right here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm sorry. I don't want to keep messing with the camera. So this is our cold weather training gloss, our de-chapping stick and classy, and our lucite gloss. And these are our boosting glosses. These are the only ones we have available right now, but there's more coming. So it comes in an airhead. I put candy in all the orders because I just like airheads. And my little brand colors are like blue, yellow, and white. So. And metallics, of course, but I like silver being implemented in there. So blue, yellow, white, and silver. So, and it's gonna come in this silver holographic thing just because it's a lot of product. So also, with every lip slush, it comes with 2 spatulas. So she's gonna get the clear ones because this is the cold weather pout pack. So it's gonna come with clear and or white, but I have white ones too, but she's gonna get 2 clear ones. And then also, she's gonna get 2 Starbursts just because she ordered the pout pack, so yay. And then our card, it's just a circle, it's kind of hard to see because it may be out of focus. And then it's gonna come in a satin baggie. So the card goes to satin baggie, 2 Starbursts gonna go in there, and so is the spatulas. It's gonna go in there, sorry, Instagram. It's gonna go in there like that. I'm gonna put some glitter up in here. And I just put the glitter in here and in the actual package itself, just that way it's not all over the place. I'm sweating as I'm talking. It is so freaking hot in here. So then this is gonna go in here. Whoops, like that, hopefully. I haven't packed one of these before. This is numero uno. Oh my God. Okay. So okay, oh Lord. All right. So here's the pout pack. Here's the pout pack, yay. So now we're gonna come down here to my impulse sealer. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. My mortise joint's going to sleep, so that's not gonna be pleasant. So fine, I'm gonna come out here to my impulse sealer. It's warmed up. So I'm going to seal above the notches. Make sure it's as even as possible. 1, 2, 3. I think I can go a little bit longer, can I? Oh no, that's perfect. All right, so the design is not super perfect, but it's okay because I don't want to keep messing with her pack. I just want to make sure it's sealed because I want it to be as protected. I want it to look professional too. So it is sealed. You can see the little line right here. It's hot. It is hot, so I don't know why I touched it. Ouch. No, it's not that hot. So, okay, so here are the notches. So when she gets it, she can just rip there and then she'll have access to all of her goodies. I freaking make sure that everything is like in here. So I just do a quick little check. I fold up her packing slip, and I already have her printing label shipped off. So I'm gonna flip it. So I print off her packing slip. I write little coupon codes on all the orders. So that's good. So I have these really big bubble mailers. All right, so now we'll have her pouch pack and the package. We have her packing slip. Her packing slip is in there. I almost closed the chicken without it. I'll put a little bit more glitter in here for dramatics. All right, y'all, I don't know where the freaking camera stopped. Woo! Today is just a mess, but it's cool. All right, so here's what the orders look like after they've been packed. For the pout packs, they come in the big white bubble mailers just because it's a lot of product. So on the back, I have blue fragile stickers and my blue thank you note. So everything is in here for her. So she is good to go. So let's stick her order here. All right, we're gonna move on to another order. So this young lady, she has our Melamint lip slush. And again, all the lip slushes come with spatulas. So for Melamint, I like to do purple because I think purple and brown go together really pretty. So she's gonna get purple and clear or purple and transparent. And she also ordered a Lucite lip gloss. Booster shot lip gloss. So we're gonna go ahead and package this up for her. So we're gonna put Melamint in here like that. We're gonna put Lucite in here like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put her candy. So we're gonna put her candy in the baggie. We're gonna put her card, and we're gonna put her her mini spatulas in here. Then we're gonna put some glitter for the dramatics, for the drama of it all. That's together. So then we're gonna come back. So we're gonna go back down here to the impulse sealer. We're gonna warm it up a few times. Make sure. So we're gonna push these up to the top as much as we can because we're gonna seal it down near the bottom, and then it's gonna fall as it may. So 1, 2, 3. Cool. And that is sealed. So we have her 2 items in here like that. So we're gonna go ahead and stick her items in here. Again, we're gonna add some more glitter for the drama. Oh, that was a lot of glitter. Oh well, it's a lot of drama. A lot of drama getting this set up today, so it makes perfect sense. So we got her Lucite and we got her Melamint bond. She is good to go. Okay. So we're gonna put her packing slip in. I'm gonna close this thing down. Thank you sticker. We're gonna put a yellow fragile sticker. Tape her thing. All right, so hers is done. It is good to go out to her. So I'm going to record 2 other videos for Instagram. So if you would like to see me package up the other 2, you can follow, or you can just go watch it on my Instagram page. It's at Yelaurabeauty on IG. So yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this, let me know. If you didn't, you can also let me know. Either way, don't matter to me. I'm gonna be happy regardless. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you got some. So let me show y'all. So another thing I do is when I print, when I am packing up orders, I always print off 2 shipping labels because I like to keep a record of everything. So I have all of my orders in here. So as you can see, I put 1 shipping label in, and then I keep 1 in here, and I also keep a copy of the freaking shipping labels. Yes, because this is the packing label. So I also keep it over the shipping label. I don't know if y'all can see it through here, but this has like the tracking info and their address and stuff that I sent it to, that I get off of my little like shipping software thing. So I have all my little orders in here. So I have them by month. I opened my website in August, so this is August of course, and then September starts here. So I have my September orders in the September tab. So yeah, you guys, that's what I like to do. I don't know if it's extra, but if it is, then I guess I'm just extra. So yeah, you guys, that's gonna be for this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.